Hello family. Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, your #1 channel for global nursing opportunities, relocation guides, and career breakthrough information. Today, I'm breaking down the full step-by-step process for overseas nurses who want to register and work in Qatar in 2025/2026. Whether you're watching from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, India, the Philippines, UAE, UK, South Africa, or any part of the world, this guide will show you exactly how to start your Qatar nursing journey. From registration, exams, licensing, all the way to job offers and agencies hiring now. Grab your notepad. This is a complete blueprint. Section 1. Why Qatar is hiring overseas nurses. Qatar is one of the fastest-growing healthcare destinations in the Middle East. With massive hospital expansions, international standards, and the rise of world-class institutions like Hamad Medical Corporation, Sidra Medicine, Primary Healthcare Corporation. The country is now actively hiring overseas nurses. Benefits include tax-free salary, free or subsidized housing, annual flight tickets, clean, safe environment, high demand for RNs, midwives, and specialists. If you want stability, growth, and excellent living conditions, Qatar is a wonderful option. Section 2. Step by Step. How to register as a nurse in Qatar. Let's go through the entire process clearly and simply. Step 1. Gather all your nursing documents. You must prepare the following: nursing degree or diploma, home country nursing license, transcript from your school, passport photo, updated CV, employment certificates, 2 years min recommended. Good standing certificate from your nursing council. Make sure your documents are clear, valid, up to date. Step 2. Create a QCHP/DHP account. Qatar's nursing license is issued by QCHP, Qatar Council for Healthcare Practitioners, under the Department of Healthcare Professions, DHP. You will create your registration profile on their portal and upload your documents. Step 3. DataFlow Primary Source Verification, PSV. This is one of the most important steps. Qatar requires all your credentials to be authenticated through DataFlow. DataFlow will verify your degree, your license, your work experience. Make sure everything is genuine. Qatar does not tolerate falsified documents. Step 4. Take the Qatar Prometric exam. After your DataFlow submission, you will be asked to write the Prometric exam. This exam checks your clinical knowledge, patient care, nursing judgment. Don't panic. It is manageable with proper preparation. Once you pass Prometric, you move forward to evaluation. Step 5. Application evaluation and classification. QCHP will classify you as registered nurse, RN, registered general nurse, midwife, specialist nurse. Classification depends on your degree, your experience, your Prometric results. Step 6. Get a job offer from a Qatar employer. After completing your licensing steps, you must secure a job from public hospitals, Hamad Medical Corporation, government clinics, PHCC, private hospitals, home care agencies. Once hired, your employer will handle your work visa and residency permit. Step 7. Work visa and travel to Qatar. Your employer sponsors your work permit. This includes visa application, medical test, accommodation arrangements, flight ticket. When you land in Qatar, you complete local registration and officially start work. Section 3. Agencies hiring overseas nurses to Qatar. Here are trusted recruiters that bring international nurses into Qatar. 1. Medax Healthcare. Specializes in Middle East healthcare recruitment. Qatar is one of their active destinations. 2. PE Global. Recruits nurses internationally for Qatar hospitals. 3. IMS Recruitment, global healthcare recruiter with Qatar openings. 4. Global Placements, places nurses into Qatar through direct employer partnerships. 5. Ozone Overseas Nursing Recruitment, India/GCC-based recruiter with Qatar roles. 6. Hamad Medical Corporation, direct, Qatar's main public health provider, hires overseas nurses directly when recruitment campaigns are open. Ask each agency, do you sponsor visas? Do you support DataFlow plus Prometric? Are contracts renewable? What benefits are included? Section 4. Warnings to avoid scams. Never pay big upfront recruitment fees. Always confirm the employer's name. Beware of WhatsApp-only recruiters. Verify contracts before signing. Ask for previous successful candidates. Be wise. Protect yourself. Closing. Thank you for watching Purpose Path TV Global. If you want me to prepare a printable Qatar nursing registration checklist, a Qatar agency contact list, just comment Qatar Nurse List and I'll send it to you. Like, subscribe, and share this video with another nurse who needs this information. God bless you always.